What's the meaning of articulatory? Articulatory. Articulatory.
Articulatory. Articulatory. The term articulatory refers to the physical movements and positions of the speech organs, including the lips, tongue, and vocal cords, required to produce speech sounds. Articulatory phonetics is the study of how these movements and positions affect speech sounds. By analyzing articulation, researchers can better understand speech production and develop technologies such as speech recognition and synthesis. Articulatory disorders, such as stuttering, can also be diagnosed and treated through articulation therapy. In short, articulatory refers to the physical aspects of speech production that are vital to our ability to communicate.